is not something you can have because it is saw. Reverse this usual unconscious, unquestioned assumption. Samanya dharanam parityajya kalam yatta aham paryayo astiyah kalaha swasmin vahyate nirantaram atmacha kalascha tat nitya sattvamayam pradarshayet vartamanasya anubhavam krutva santim mosham chalabet. Atmacha kalascha tat nitya sattvamayam pradarshayet vartamanasya anubhavam krutva santim moksham chalabet. We usually think that we move through the time from past to future. An alternative understanding need to come inside you. I should say, realization has to come inside you. You are not moving through the time. Time is moving through you.